the end goal as a Muslim, which is entering Jannah, right? And your akhirah, is Allah Azza wa Jal saying in the Quran, وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. That whoever fears standing before his Lord, right, Yawm al-Qiyamah, those who fear standing in front of their Lord, i.e. you're thinking about it every day, one day I will stand in front of my Lord, let me make sure I don't do this, because one day I will have to tell my Lord why I did this. So for somebody who fears this, i.e. he is righteous, right, or he's trying to be, just like all of us, really, and restrained the soul from desires, the paradise will be his refuge. There's two things that will lead you there. Fearing the day that you are standing in front of your Lord. Secondly, restrain the soul from desires. Those who naha nafs anil hawa, naha an-nafs anil hawa, they forbid their nafs by grabbing it by the neck from al-hawa, from desires.